she put me on child support in 2010, and I was already incarcerated. So me being incarcerated, how can I pay the fees?
Him planning another baby after coming out of prison. He knew that he had enough money.
I'm going to object to non-responsive.
Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, you may both lower your hands. And Mr. Talley, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. I first need to call the mother for service on the record, if I may.
You may.
Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Jessica Nicole Martinez.
Did you receive a copy of the state's petition in this matter via email?
Yes.
Are you agreeing to waive formal service and citation of that petition and enter your appearance in the case today?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to have this matter reset and agreeing to proceed today?
Yes.
Judge, please let the record reflect that Ms. Martinez has waived service and entered her appearance.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. We are here on a motion to confirm support arrearage. I'd first like to offer into evidence what's been marked for identification purposes as State's Exhibit A, a copy of the payment record in this matter.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. And if I could state the terms of the proposed order and then call the parties.
You may.
The order contains a child support judgment against Mr. Del Bosque in the amount of $11,056.72 as of March 31st. That judgment would be payable at $110 per month beginning May 1st. Court costs would be as billed to Mr. Del Bosque, and there's no request for a finding of non-disclosure. It's the extent of the order, if I may call the parties.
One second. It was $11,056 and how many cents?
I believe 72 cents. Yes, 72 cents.
To be paid at $100 a month, correct?
110.
110. Okay, thank you. You may call your first witness.
I'll recall the mother. Ma'am, did you hear the terms of the order that were stated to the court? Ms. Martinez?
I'm sorry?
Did you hear the terms of the order that I stated to the court?
No.
You did not hear the numbers that I just gave to the judge?
The $110?
Yes, the fact that he would be ordered to pay a child support judgment of $11,056.72 at $110 a month beginning May 1st. Do you understand that that is what is being proposed to the court?
Yeah, I understand that, but I don't agree with it. No.
Okay. What would you like to be different?
I would, my son, he's pretty much way
Objection,
more bigger than
non-responsive.
$110. So him planning another baby after coming out of prison, he knew that he had enough money.
I'm going to object to non-responsive.
Objection sustained, ma'am. Just answer the question that he asked you. Mr. Talley, can you repeat the question, sir?
What do you want the number to be that he pays the judgment back?
250 would be nice.
Ask the witness, Judge.
Okay. You may call your next witness.
I'll call the father. So would you please state your full name?
Gerardo del Bosque.
Did you hear the terms of the order that I stated to the court?
Yes.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the terms of the order?
Yes, I'm in agreement.
Ask the witness, Judge. Nothing further.
So the only disagreement is the
rate of pay. And I should inform the court that Mr. Del Bosque has made payments after the filing of this suit in totaling $5,929, which are currently on hold, which will be applied to his balance once this order is processed. And at that point, the remaining balance will be 5,200 and change, something like that.
okay.
5,100 and change. And the interest on that per month, once those payments have been applied, will be $25 per month.
Judge, I just got a question, Judge.
Yes, sir. What is your question?
I was just trying to ask if the court will they will take the fees off of me because I was incarcerated. So this, from my understanding, she put me on child support in 2010, and I was already incarcerated. So me being incarcerated, how can I pay the fees? Like,
Judge, if I could clarify that,
Yes,
he was
sir.
not ever placed on child support. There was never any monthly obligation in this case because he was incarcerated at the time of the establishment order. There was a retroactive judgment entered for the time prior to his incarceration, and the balance is simply that retroactive judgment plus the interest that is accrued on it.
Okay. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so now tell me why I should take those off.
I mean, because at the time, I didn't know he was my son. So she put me on child support at 2010 when I was already incarcerated. They gave me a DNA.
Okay, so after they gave
If
you
I
the
would have,
DNA, Mr. Del Bosque, after they gave you the DNA, you knew that that was your son, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And let me ask you this question. You're probably going to think it's insensitive, but I'm going to ask anyway. Was it your son's fault that you were incarcerated?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So sometimes we have to take responsibility for our own actions.
I am taking responsibility because I already paid the $5,000 I owe since I was just trying to see if they waived the entrance because I don't think that's fair. Because if I was out, I would have been paying just like I'm paying my other kids' child support right now.
Mrs. Del Bosque, if you were out, they would have ordered you to pay a monthly amount and you would have owed more than just what you owe now.
All right.
Okay? All right. So I am going to order a judgment against Mr. Del Bosque in the amount of $11,056.72. I will order that judgment paid at $125 a month until paid in full.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Does anyone have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I will order court costs as billed and all start dates will be May 1st, 2025. Anything further, Mr. Talley?
No, Judge, thank you.
All right. Do either one of you have any questions? No?
None at all.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today and you're both free to go.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right. You have anything else, Mr. Talley?
Nothing else ready at the moment, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
The monthly gross income is $23,333. No union dues or medical insurance. The net income is $16,833.75, leaving monthly child support at $1,840.
It appears there was a temporary order in this case that made a finding of Mr. Ward's gross monthly resources to be $2,439 each month. Seems drastically lower than the current amount.
Again, Your Honor, I don't know how they came up with that number. And he's not here. And do you know where Mr. Ward lives?
With his mom.